So let's break this down. Options are simply contracts. They're options contracts. It's essentially a deal between you and another person. So in this example, you will be the buyer of the option contract. This is a call option. Let's use Tesla stock for this example. So the price of Tesla is at $386 per share. So what if I told you I'll give you the option to buy Tesla at $440 per share in the next 2 days? And for you to have that option, you have to pay me 90 cents. So deal or no deal? And honestly, we don't know if the stocks are going up or down in the next 2 days. Let's just say you agreed to buy that contract for 90 cents. So now you have the option to buy Tesla at $440 within the next 2 days. So how do you profit from this? The current price of Tesla is at $386 right now. Let's say within the 2 days, the price hits $500. This is a good situation for you because you're going to make money. The contract that you've just bought was a call option, meaning you pay for the option to buy a stock at a certain price within a certain amount of time. Back to our example, Tesla hits $500 within 2 days, and you still have the option to buy Tesla at $440. You would buy Tesla at $440 and sell it at $500. You would have gained $60 a share. Let's summarize. You buy Tesla at $440, you sell it for $500. You paid 90 cents for the contract. You would net a profit of $59.10. That's a great deal. Let's use a real-life example. This is Robinhood. Robinhood platform also has options trading in them. Stock should have an option trading button. You click on it, and it would bring you to this page. Let's walk through this. These are the option contracts at a certain price point. If you want the contract to be at $440, then $440 will be your strike price. On the left, you could see the options contract with different strike prices: 445, 442, 437, 435. The list goes on. On the top, you could also see the duration of the contract, which is 2 days. For this example, let's focus on you buying the call option at $440 strike price. That option contract is selling at 90 cents. So the real question is, will Tesla hit above $440 within 2 days? Let's go back to our example of Tesla hitting $500 and you winning. So Tesla is currently at $386 and you bought the call option at a strike price of $440, and that option will cost you 90 cents. You will only profit if Tesla goes above 440 within the next 2 days, because that was the duration of the contract. Realistically speaking, it's impossible to hit that high within 2 days unless something major happens. Who knows? So if you buy the call option, you want Tesla stock to go as high and fast as possible. Because if Tesla goes to 500, you could buy it for 440 and sell it immediately. This is a win-win scenario. Now let's talk about how you lose money. The contract has a limited time before it expires. If the stock price doesn't hit the strike price or higher, then it's worthless. So Tesla is at $386. You bought the call option to have the option to buy Tesla at 440 in the next 2 days. If Tesla is at 440 or lower, then your contract is worthless. Let's talk about different scenarios. One, Tesla is at 386 and you have the option to buy it at 440 within the next 2 days. Let's say the stock price goes down to $350. The contract is now worthless and you paid 90 cents for that contract. So in this case, you lose money. 2, Tesla is at 386 and let's say the stock price goes up to $430. It's the same situation. It didn't go up enough. So in this case, you will also lose money. Scenario 3. Tesla is at $386 and the stock went up $440.80 within the 2 days. So you could buy Tesla at $440 and sell it at $440.80. It is a gain of 80 cents. However, you still lose money. Remember, you paid 90 cents for the contract. So the true cost of the contract is actually $440.90, and you sold the stock at $440.80. In this case, you lose 10 cents per share. Scenario 4. Tesla is at $386 and the stock goes above your cost basis of $440.90. You're going to be in profit, and the more it goes up, the more profit you'll get. Here's another thing. Let's say other big firms and companies decided to invest in Tesla within the next 2 days and the stock went up $600. Also, options contracts can be bought and sold just like a stock. So if Tesla stock went up $600, you don't have to buy it at $440 and sell. You can just sell the options contract itself, or you could buy Tesla at $440 and hold on to the stocks. Eventually, the contract will expire and you'll end up with the purchased stocks. Let's go back to the reference page. Let's compare the option between $440 and $445. The contract at $440 is selling at 90 cents, and the contract $445 is selling at 70 cents. A contract at a higher striker price is cheaper because it's less probable that Tesla will hit $445 compared to $440. So in this case, they will need to offer you a cheaper price. Take a look at the strike price, $435. It's more expensive. Also take notice of the percent change too. It's lower, which means it's more expensive. So if you think this whole option contract thing is risky, then you're correct. Who knows what will happen in the next 2 days? But what if I told you Tesla is at $386 and I give you the option to buy it at $440 for the next 121 days or 4 months? It is much more appealing because you have more time for Tesla to go up. Let's look at this reference. Here on the top, you have the option to choose the duration date. We're still looking at the same strike price of $440, but now the asking price is $24. If the expiration date of the contract is sooner, then the contract will be cheaper. If the expiration date of the contract is farther out, then the contract will be more expensive. One last thing, option contracts are for 100 shares. If you buy one option contracts of Tesla at $440 strike price, then you're buying the option to buy 100 shares of Tesla at $440. The contract is at 90 cents, so that's 90 cents a share. Just remember, you're dealing with 100 shares of a stock, not one. So if the contract says 90 cents, then the option contract will cost you $90. So if you buy 10 option contract, it will cost you $900. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It'll tell me you want to learn more, and I'll gladly provide. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making financial decisions.